subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo launched its new clamshell-style foldable design phone in India called Oppo Find N3 Flip. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo Find N3 Flip features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus LTPO AMOLED primary display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. And it also has another 3.26-inch secondary AMOLED display on the top, with up to 900 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset, paired with Immortalis G715 MC11 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Find N3 Flip sports an Hasselblad-featured triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 32-megapixel telephoto lens, with 2x optical zoom support, along with the 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 114-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 4300 mAh battery, with 44-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on ColorOS 13.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 75.8 by 7.8 millimeters, and when it is folded it measures at 85.5 by 75.8 by 16.5 millimeters. And it weighs around 198 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Find N3 Flip has been priced in India at 94,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in cream gold and sleek black color option, and it is said to go on sale starting from October 22nd. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Find N3 Flip smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.